how to add a video on YouTube on your iPhone. Ready to upload your first video? Here's how to post content on YouTube while using your iPhone. Open the app and tap on the plus icon. Choose upload a video. Select the video that you want to upload. Grant YouTube access to your photo library if needed. Add a title, description, and choose the privacy setting. Then tap upload to post it. Your video is now live. Share the link with friends and start building your audience. And that's about it. You can also post shorts, you can go live, and you can post an image also. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.